How are you going to identify John Deere crankshaft faulty journal? When the journal of John Deere crankshaft is faulty, how are you going to identify it? This is also applicable to other crankshafts. The first thing you have to do is that you have to remove the crankshaft. Now you have to be convinced that the crankshaft is faulty. When you remove the crankshaft, how are you going to identify which journal is bad? The first thing you have to check is the meter. Check each journal meter. Then you're going to know which one actually has a very bad journal. If you can identify each journal with its meter, you're surely going to know which journal is bad. For example, this one I'm working on now, you can see by touching the surface of the crankshaft, I can feel it. You can see this very journal now is bad. I can feel it. The surface is not smooth again. Then let me go and check the bearing. You can see the bearing, it has even a broken bearing. I was able to know because I was able to separate all the bearing from each journal. Definitely, that journal is bad. Let me also check other journals, all these ones. I don't see any fault there. Let me check. Yes, this one too is okay. Now, I can feel something here too. That face is also faulty. That small surface is no longer there. That means that from the main bearing, I have bad journal, and also from the conrod surface too. From the conrod too, I also have conrod journals too. I also have 40 journals. That means that I need to work on the crankshaft. So this is how to know when your journal of your crankshaft is bad. The first thing is that you need to check the meter, and when you check the meter, not only the conrod meter, you also need to check the main bearing meter. I can see this is the main bearing meter. So I also have to check all the main bearing meters too for me to be convinced that definitely that face is bad. But what you have to do is that you have to take it to a professional that is going to use micrometer to check the journal. When they check the journal, they're going to know, because sometimes through visual inspection, you may not identify a bad one, a bad face. But when they use a micrometer, you should be able to know the one that is very bad. And don't forget, there's also upper bearing too on the main bearing housing. You also have to check the main bearing housing. When you check it, you should be able to know which crankshaft journal is bad for your John Deere engine. This is the oil seal. The engine is undergoing overhauling. So before you install the crankshaft, you need to take it to professional to have a look to check so that they can know what to how to fix your crankshaft for you. Don't forget to like, share this video.